In 1.02, we are going to talk about and discuss the court systems and trial procedures. Exactly why do we as a people need a court system? Why was this developed for our country? And here you have your assignments for this objective. You can print it out using this link right here if you need to. And we're going to talk about federal and state courts. The first thing you have is a video, and you need to watch this video, take notes, put them in your notebook, how to understand the American judicial system. And then we have a discussion. Name the type of court that a teenager might have to appear in if he or she commits an offense. Why was such a court created? You will get that from the video. So you'll do your discussion here and answer that question. Vocabulary is listed here. All of these words can be easily found. I know you guys like to use Google, but there's your vocabulary words. Then we have a video inside the Supreme Court and why the Supreme Court, how is it different than a regular court. And it's about 4 minutes. You can see that. But you'll need to watch that and take notes on that. Then I have the notes, the actual PowerPoint notes that you need to take in your notebook. And I know this seems like a lot of notes, but it's a lot of information. What is the court system? So in the book, you read pages 14 to 27, okay, in your book. And then we have some guided practice. And we have 2 scenarios here. And talking about Joe Short, he was caught breaking into Central Elementary School in Edenton, North Carolina. And you're going to talk about what were the next steps. Once he was arrested and processed, what is the next steps by law that has to be taken for Joe to go into the court system? Then our second discussion is about poor Joe Short was convicted in Superior Court, but he and his attorney appealed the conviction. Where was the case appealed to? What type of things can Joe's appeal consist of? And if the appeal is denied, does Joe have any other appeal open to him? If so, what's his next appeal step? So we're talking here about how to use the court system and how it works step by step. Then I've got some mock trial example videos for you. And it just shows the various parts of a mock trial and how a mock trial works. Then I have for you the video that talks about judicial review of Marbury versus Madison. You're going to use this information to do an assignment. So you'll watch that video. You probably want to take notes. And then you've got 2 case studies. Marbury versus Madison, landmark case number 1. And this is an actual case that you will learn about and discuss here in your assignment. And then we have the second landmark case, number 2, Miranda versus Arizona. And what makes a case a landmark case? A landmark case is usually a case in which other cases are ruled from. So once we have a case where it is such a big deal or a new way of looking at things, then other courts can say, well, in Miranda versus Arizona, this happened, so this court can't rule that way because of the landmark case. So a landmark case changes how the judicial system may look at an offense. And then you have your quiz. And I know that seems like a lot, but that is what is due for you guys. And I'll go ahead and put this on the calendar. January 21st, 1.02 will be due. That's a Monday. So 102 is due on the 21st. 101 was due on the 14th. So I hope you're not having any issues. I hope you're enjoying the class. Please, please, please remember to use that Remind app. If you have any questions or need anything, just let me know what I can do to help you. And I hope this gives you a good overview of what you're going to be doing. Understanding the court systems is a good foundation for you as we move through the rest of the course. So there you go. I hope you guys have a great week.